This is our nature adventure. Come along.
Wow, what a beauty!
You see this? This piece of nature, this is called a
Log.
log.
This is called a pine cone. Pine cones have been around since the pioneers came over here on the Mayflower.
That's called the sun. Now it's called the sun because that's what it was named. Oh boy, there's so many awesome natures out here. Oh my God, Jacob! There's litter in our nature video! Always take care of nature. Nature. Whoa, how beautiful. Nature is beautiful.
Sure is awesome. This is a pine cone. Believe it or not, this is not the same pine cone that was pine coned earlier in this video. But this pine cone was still here when the pioneers came here on the Mayflower. Pine cones!
Look at this masculine beast of a big granite, other known as rock.
This is called sand.
Yeah!
Sand is very small.
Yeah!
It is called sand because it is spelled S-A-N-D. And
Yeah!
that spells sand.
Yeah!
I love sand! I see sand in the distance. Sand!
This is a stick. A stick is a shorter version of the hill. You can sit on the hill and enjoy nature.
I sure do love me some nature. Nature has something. This is low. This is low. This is low. Nature can be rough sometimes.
Thanks for enjoying nature with us.
Wow.